This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is an affordable smartphone introduced in October 2024. It offers modern features and reliable performance. Now we will see product features and technical details. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with 90 Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. This smartphone equipped with either the Samsung Exynos 1330 processor or Media Dimensity 6300 chipset processor, which ensure efficient performance for daily tasks. This smartphone comes with 4 GB or 6 GB or 8 GB RAM options with internal storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, and it is expandable via micro SD card. This smartphone has rear cameras and front camera. In rear side, it has main camera, which is 50 MP wide-angle lens for detailed photos, and it has ultra-wide camera, which is 5 MP lens to capture broader scenes, and it has a macro camera, which is 2 MP lens for close-up photography, and the front camera has a 13 MP sensor for clear selfies and video calls. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery, and it ensures extended usage with 25-watt fast charging support. This smartphone ships with Android 14 operating system customized with Samsung One UI 6.1. Samsung promises 6 years of software updates, including major OS upgrades and security patches, which ensure long-term device support. Connectivity supported are 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and USB Type-C 2.0. What are the pros of this smartphone? First point is affordable price. Offers a range of features at a budget-friendly price point. Second point is long-term software support. The 6-year update guarantee ensures the device remains secure and up-to-date. Third point is high-quality display. The AMOLED screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate provides vibrant and smooth visuals. Fourth point is affordable 5G connectivity. Provides access to faster network speeds without a high price tag. Fifth point is expandable storage. Supports micro SD cards, which allows user to increase storage capacity. What are the cons of this smartphone? First point is plastic build. The use of plastic materials may feel less premium compared to glass or metal designs. Second point is average performance, suitable for everyday tasks, but may not handle high-end gaming or intensive applications as efficiently as higher-end models. What are the customers' positive feedback? Battery life. Many users appreciate the long battery life. Display quality. The display is generally praised for its clarity and vibrant colors. Software support. Users are satisfied with the long-term software support offered by the Samsung. Connectivity. The 5G connectivity is appreciated. In US, the price of this smartphone ranges from $180 to $250. In India, the price ranges from 14,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees.